Is your store frequently dealing with sold out or back-ordered items? Or maybe you're launching new items and want to gather some pre-orders to gauge your customer interest and collect some upfront payments. Meet Pre-Order Today, your new favorite Shopify app. The Pre-Order Today app lets you automatically create wait lists for out-of-stock or coming soon products. In a quick swap, your Add to Cart button becomes a pre-order button, making it easy to gauge customer interest and collect payments. You can even incentivize purchases by offering discounts on all pre-ordered items, driving more transactions for your store. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to install and set up, requiring no coding or theme customization. But if you need any help with setup or customizing the app for your Shopify store, our customer support team is always available to assist you with anything that you need. But don't just take our word for it. See what some of our satisfied merchants have to say. In no time, you'll be able to capture customer emails to send pre-order confirmation messages, keeping your buyers informed and excited about your products. The Pre-Order Today app can boost your revenue and keep your customers happy, even when your products are flying off of the shelves. Click the Add App button to try Pre-Order Today and turn your sold-out stock into secured revenue. Pre-Order Today, the smart choice for your Shopify store.